Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers alike due to their tactile response, durability, and precise switch feedback. In this guide, we evaluate the best options based on switch type, build quality, layout comfort, and overall value. But here, we'll apply that same attention to detail to ATV batteries. We assess performance, reliability.
List number 1. Mighty Max Battery YTX14BS 12V 12Ah. The Mighty Max YTX14BS is one of the most reliable AGM absorbed glass matte sealed lead-acid batteries available for ATVs, motorcycles, and personal watercraft. Known for its excellent balance between power and longevity, it delivers consistent starting performance and dependable operation even under extreme conditions. This maintenance-free design means you'll never have to top off electrolyte levels, making it perfect for riders who value convenience. The sealed construction also prevents leaks and corrosion, ensuring the battery lasts longer and performs reliably on rugged terrain. Performance-wise, the 12-volt, 12-amp-hour capacity provides strong cranking power, capable of starting even larger ATVs or UTVs. It handles vibration well thanks to its solid internal structure and shock-resistant casing, which is a must-have for off-road use. Another advantage is its versatility. The YTX14BS fits a wide range of ATVs, including models from Honda, Yamaha, Polaris, and Suzuki. Users praise its dependable cold start performance and minimal self-discharge rate during storage.
List number 2. Mighty Max Battery YTX14AH-BS 12V 12Ah. The Mighty Max YTX14AH-BS delivers a similar performance profile to the YTX14-BS, but offers a slightly different design suited to specific ATV models and mounting orientations. It's a high-performance sealed AGM battery engineered for strength, durability, and easy maintenance. This 12-volt, 12Ah battery provides exceptional starting power and deep cycle capability, ensuring your ATV starts up instantly every time. It's factory-activated, spill-proof, and vibration-resistant. 3 qualities that make it ideal for off-road riding, where bumps and jolts are the norm. Internally, the battery's AGM technology ensures efficient power transfer and improved charge retention compared to standard wet cell designs. Riders appreciate how it holds charge even when stored for weeks, a critical advantage for seasonal ATV users. Its compact and lightweight build makes installation quick and simple, and it's compatible with many leading ATV brands. Compared to conventional lead-acid models, it offers a longer service life, consistent voltage output, and better cold weather performance. Best for riders looking for a rugged, maintenance-free AGM battery that holds charge exceptionally well and delivers strong cranking power even after long periods of inactivity.
List number 3. The Mighty Max Battery YTX4L-BS 12V 3Ah. The Mighty Max YTX4L-BS is the compact powerhouse of the lineup, perfect for smaller ATVs, scooters, and powersport vehicles that need dependable performance in a smaller package. Despite its 3Ah capacity, this AGM battery delivers solid cranking amps and reliable ignition performance. This 12-volt unit is fully sealed and maintenance-free, ensuring no acid spills or corrosion over time. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to install, while the AGM technology keeps internal components stable under vibration and impact, a must-have for off-road enthusiasts. Performance remains steady even in cold or damp environments, and users often report strong starting power after long storage periods. It's also built with low self-discharge characteristics, so you can park your ATV for weeks without worrying about a dead battery. While smaller in capacity than other models, its energy efficiency and long compact footprint make it a strong choice for many ATVs or entry-level riders. Additionally, its affordability and long lifespan make it a popular replacement option.
List number 4. Mighty Max Battery YTX30L-BS 12V 30Ah. If you're running a high-performance ATV or UTV, the Mighty Max YTX30L-BS is the powerhouse you need. With an impressive 30 amp-hour capacity, this battery is built for demanding riders and heavy-duty vehicles that require exceptional starting power and sustained energy. This model features AGM technology, which provides superior vibration resistance and deep cycle capability, perfect for powering lights, winches, or auxiliary electronics alongside your ATV's engine. It's completely sealed and maintenance-free, preventing acid leaks and ensuring safety during aggressive rides. The XT30L-BS offers outstanding cold cranking amps, making it ideal for winter or mountain riders who face temperature drops. Despite its higher power, it maintains a relatively compact design, allowing for flexible installation. Durability is another key strength. The rugged construction withstands shocks, impacts, and continuous off-road abuse, ensuring you won't get stranded in the middle of a trail. Riders report reliable startups, long battery life, and minimal voltage drop even under heavy load conditions.
List number 5. Mighty Max Battery YTX14LBS Gel 12V 12Ah. The Mighty Max YTX14LBS Gel stands out for its gel technology, which offers even better resistance to vibration, temperature extremes, and over-discharge than traditional AGM batteries. It's an excellent upgrade for riders seeking higher durability and longer life expectancy. This 12V 12Ah gel cell battery is factory-activated and completely maintenance-free. The silica gel electrolyte ensures steady power output and improved recharge efficiency, which means you'll get more consistent performance ride after ride. It's designed to handle harsh outdoor environments, making it a top pick for off-roaders who frequently tackle muddy, wet, or bumpy conditions. Gel batteries also perform better in deep discharge scenarios, ideal if you run power accessories or store your ATV for long stretches.